Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 6S, and today I'll show you how to set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and go to the second page where it looks like the toggle is located at. So you can see it right here, personal hotspot. And before you tap on it to enable it, you do want to hold it, and this will take us to the settings where you can actually change the password. And as you can see, the password right now by default is just some kind of randomized password. So we can tap right here and then choose the password and completely remove the one right here and make our own new password. Now the only thing to keep in mind, it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and what is in there doesn't really matter. Now when it comes down to other settings in here, you have the name, which is just going to be the name of the Wi-Fi in this case. You can keep it as it is, it doesn't really matter, it's just a way to find your network. Then you have the AP band. I would change it to 5 gigahertz, but after changing, if you don't see any kind of network by this name, you might want to go back and change it to 2.4. Now the thing is, older devices don't really support the 5 gigahertz band right here. So if you have an older device and it doesn't see it, you will have to go back here and drop it, like I said, to 2.4. The benefit of 5.1 is the connection will be faster and more stable, overall just better. So that's why I advise you to go for the 5, assuming your device can handle it. And then visible to other devices, make sure that this is enabled, otherwise you will have to go through Wi-Fi and literally add it manually instead of like finding it from the list as you would normally do. And from there, once everything is set, tap on save, and you can leave this area right here and simply go back to the next page again and tap on it. And now you can find your network based on the name and the password that we have provided before. And that is how you'd enable it. And also it will give you notifications that it's enabled right here, and sometimes also, I'm not sure if this is the case here, show how many people are connected to your hotspot. Now once you're done with it, you want to go back here and disable it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.